Pulau Redang lies in the South China Sea, approximately 50 kilometers off the coast of the state of Terengganu in northeast Malaysia. Redang is the largest island in a marine park consisting of 9 islands. The accommodation here is more resort-focused than on the nearby Perhentian Islands, making this beautiful island a popular destination for Malaysian holidaymakers and those keen to indulge in a little luxury. Most of the resorts on Redang can be found along Long Beach, one of Malaysia's most picturesque beaches. Pulau Redang is surrounded with reefs rich in marine life. Excellent snorkeling spots can be found just a short swim away from the main beaches. With its long white beaches and secluded rocky coves, crystal clear waters and swaying palms, Pulau Redang is everything a tropical island should be.